Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
To pay bills that you have entered, you have to open the Pay Bills window. You can do this by selecting Vendors from the menu bar and then choosing the Pay Bills command. At the top of the Pay Bills window, select either the option button to show bills that are due on or before a date that you then select, or the option to show all bills. Then place a check mark in front of the bill or bills that you would like to pay by clicking within the column to the left of the bills to pay. QuickBooks will place the amount to pay into the rightmost Amount to Pay column. Notice that this is a white column. If necessary, you can change the amount that is shown here in order to make a partial payment on a selected bill. In the middle of the Pay Bills window, you'll see the vendor, discount, and credit information for the currently selected or highlighted bill. You can click the Go to Bill button in order to open the original bill within the Enter Bills window if you need to review it. The Set Discount and Set Credit buttons are used to take early payment discounts and apply vendor credits to selected bills if available. You will see how to perform these tasks in separate lessons in this chapter. In the Payment section of the Pay Bills window, select the account from which the funds to pay the checked bills will be withdrawn by choosing the desired account from the Account drop-down. Use the Method drop-down to select the desired method of payment for the checked bills. If you select Check from this drop-down, then you must select either the To Be Printed option or the Assign Check Number option. If you select the To Be Printed option, then the checks will be assigned a check number later when you print them. If you select the Assign Check Number option, then enter the starting check number to print within the field that appears when you print the checks. Also, ensure that you have the correct payment date entered into the Date field. At that point, you can simply click the Pay Selected Bills button to pay the checked bills in the next window that appears. Now, when you pay a bill through QuickBooks, an entry is made in the Accounts Payable register showing a decrease by the amount of the bill payment to the total accounts payable balance. QuickBooks also creates a check from your checking account to pay the bill. You can open the Accounts Payable register by opening the Chart of Accounts and then double-clicking on the Accounts Payable entry to see its register. You can view the check that is created by double-clicking on your checking account within the Chart of Accounts window to view that register. Now, you may also notice that this type of check is called a bill payment check, and it differs from a typical check that you use when creating checks in the Write Checks window. On those checks, you see the expenses directly on the check voucher portion at the bottom, while in a bill payment check, the bottom portion shows the bills that are paid by the check instead.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.